Tell me, Jules, what were some of your thoughts when Link popped the question there today?
Oh no!
Oh no!
He's gonna in front of all these people. He's gonna
Right.
ask me.
You weren't nervous, were you?
Embarrassing.
I was pretty. It was kind of terrifying, actually.
Terrifying. When did you figure out what was going on? At what point? Do you remember?
When you told everybody to be quiet that you'd say something.
Oh,
or
that was
something
it?
Like
Then
that.
you
It was
knew?
like, oh
Oh,
God.
God. No.
That's
What's
right.
he gonna do?
It's Thanksgiving.
What's he gonna do?
Linkster down the stretch, you weren't getting nervous about making the proposal.
I was
were you?
very nervous, yes. I was. Oh yeah, my heart was beating and my face was all red and I was.
You're sweating.
Oh, yeah, I was sweating.
And that could have been the fire.
It was hot in
It
there
was
with all the
hot.
people in the fire,
But the fire was a nice touch.
I was sweating too.
And what are your preliminary thoughts about approximate month maybe that something might happen?
Sometime in the next 5 months.
For the wedding license
before the
expires,
license
so we would have to
expires.
pay another $150.
Right.
All right,
Sometime in the next 5 months.
we'll see how it goes. Can I get a reenactment of that engagement kiss?
You guys see your hair was like this.
Thank you.
It was.
Thanks.